Hello students, this is Albert Wong, your instructor for the class. I would like to show you something basic in this video, such as log into a D2L site and some of the basic check that I would like you to perform. Now first of all, you need to go to the DVC site like this one, that's www.dvc.edu. On the top of the page, you will see a number of links. When you move your mouse over them, then you can see the underline. The one that I want you to make sure that you know and you can click on it is the D2L online classes. Once you click on it, a new page appears. Now that page needs you to the final login page to D2L. Now on this page, you have two very big area. One is the login now, and that is to take you to the login page, and the other one is a login to Desire to Learn. Both of these can take you to the login page of Desire to Learn. Now let's try to log in the button here. Now you see a new page appears, and from here you have a number of things that you need to pay attention. The first one is that I want you to pay attention to this one. Click here to do a system check. For example, if I click here, a new page appears. Now the purpose of this particular link is to allow D2L to verify if you have all the resources needed to support its function. So you see system check, critical system checks, non-critical system check, and I have pass all the way from the beginning to the end. Now, if your system is not equipped with all the required resources, and if you do not get a pass, you may have a different message. Note down that message and send me an email, and let me know so that I can find resources to help you. And the best way to communicate with me at this point, is to send me an email. And my email address is awong@dvc.edu. Alright, now let's go back to the login page. The next thing that I want you to pay attention to is the area under Desire to Learn information. Now here you can see a message very important to you. It is telling you that the D2L will be down for maintenance on the second Saturday of each month from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Sunday morning. Now what does it mean? It means when you are working on your assignment, you need to know the due date and time for your assignment, and you plan accordingly. Because you don't want to say, hey, I want to turn in this assignment and that is the due date by a certain time, but the site is down. You don't want to run into a situation like that, right? So what I want to make sure is that you pay attention to the downtime of the D2L site so that you can plan your schedule, your work accordingly. All right. After that, you can go into the login box, and that is where you can log in. The first thing that you need to do is to type in your login ID. Now, login ID for student typically will consist of the first initial of your first name and also the last name plus the last three digits of your student ID. Now, in my case, my first name is Albert, so I type A, that is the first initial, and then my last name is WONG, and then my student ID is 977, or maybe I can call it faculty ID. It's 977, and then I type in my password. And then after that, I log in. All right. So that is the basic that I would like to show you. And if you have any question, feel free to send me a note. And again, welcome to my class, and I look forward to a great semester with you. All right. Goodbye.